Welcome, welcome, my darling. My name is Mellifera, and today we are going to do something different than the usual. This is something that I do for the Patreon membership, but I found this beautiful poem and I really wanted to share it with you today. I felt that someone really needs to hear this. So I have with me my favorite notebook where I keep all the poems that I like. So let's see. The poem that I wanted to read to you today is called Caged Bird, and it's by Angelou. A free bird leaps on the back of the wind and floats downstream till the current ends, and dips his wing in the orange sun rays and dares to claim the sky. But a bird that stalks down his narrow cage can seldom see through his bars of rage. His wings are clipped, his feet are tied, so he opens his throat to sing. The caged bird sings with a fearful trill of things unknown but longed for still, and his tune is heard on the distant hill, for the caged bird sings of freedom. The free bird thinks of another breeze, and the trade winds soft through the sighing trees, and the fat worms waiting on a dawn bright lawn, and he names the sky his own. But a caged bird stands on the grave of dreams. His shadow shouts on a nightmare scream. His wings are clipped and his feet are tied, so he opens his throat to sing. The caged bird sings with a fearful trill of things unknown but longed for still, and his tune is heard on the distant hill, for the caged bird sings of freedom. So that was the poem. I really liked it. I believe that a caged bird is the most sad thing that anyone can witness. From all the beings in the world, birds have wings and they can fly far away. Even though they are so small, they have the capacity to really go a long way. And to see one caged makes me really sad sometimes. I believe that the same things happens with people, where we are caging ourselves, where we are holding back ourselves. Where we are playing small, where we are letting fear run the show, where instead of embracing the sky and the freedom, we are choosing to stay caged. I would really love to hear your thoughts on the comment section, and if you would like to watch more poetry readings, we do this every month on the Patreon membership, and I would love to have you there. Also, if you want to support my work, you will find all the ways to do so down in the description box. It was so lovely to connect with you. Until the next one, I wish you a lovely day.